What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there on this Super Sunday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we're back. I just want to cover something real quick with you guys here. I want to show you how you can earn $900 commissions using free marketing, free advertising. All right, no selling, no chasing friends and family, no DMing strangers on social media trying to befriend them. All right, just so that you can get them to check out your opportunity. You're going to be able to check this link out in the description. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, right? With this opportunity, we do not have to convince or persuade anyone. All right, you're going to learn how to market with our beginner-friendly step-by-step training. By the way, if you don't know, information products sell, guys. Digital education, e-learning. You may not be aware of like ebooks, digital courses, how-to products. That's digital. All right, they sell. People want to know how to do things. They will learn. They will purchase training. I've purchased so many courses and digital education products over my 10-year plus journey with internet marketing and the affiliate marketing space. And I've learned so much from all of those programs. So people will buy that. And we're now living in a digital age. All right. So it's not abnormal for people to purchase these type of programs. And if you notice, sometimes it could be addictive. We see a lot of programs that they're really great. I've purchased so many because I like digital products. All right, especially ones that actually have value. I just don't purchase them just to be purchasing them. They must have value. And I like to, and I want to know, I want to make sure they're programs that the massive can actually promote and learn from. Okay, and it makes it simple. We want simplicity in our life, right? So check it out. I remember when I was in network marketing years ago, we would invite folks to opportunities by three-way-ing them, doing a three-way call. Some of you may be familiar with this. We would have to do a three-way call with our upline to invite people to come in person to see a presentation either at a hotel or a house, someone's house, or some type of brick and mortar business, a building, right? But that's how we would invite folks. But now we're living in a digital age where we've got Zooms and webinars from the comfort of people's home or wherever they are in the world with their smart device. They can actually just jump on a Zoom call, a webinar, and check out an opportunity. And all we have to do is share a link, right? We don't even have to be in contact with people anymore like that. We could send out an email, we can make a post, and we share a link, and folks sign up, they register, and they can watch a live webinar or even the replay. Because remember, the webinar does the selling and telling for us. Well, we don't have to explain this, right? People don't have to show up anywhere. They don't have to go to a hotel. They don't have to leave their home if they don't want to. So your prospects can get their questions answered right on a live. So check it out. Look at this. This is possible. You can earn $900 commissions by sharing webinars for free. So let me show you this real quick. So this is how we do it, right? This is the strategy. So what we have is we have in our community, right? You're going to come to the school community here. You're going to come for an example. You come here. Let's break this down. Let's go back over here. So if we come to the calendar, right? This is how this is done. This is what I do. I'm showing you exactly how I do it. I look at the calendar. Well, what is going on, right? Here's our September calendar. And for an example, look, Friday, September the 30th, there was a free webinar, right? So you look at the calendar and you see, well, when is there a free webinar coming up? And it will also be announced in the community. But if you just look at the calendar, it tells you, right? Oh, we got a free webinar coming up. So this was the August 30th one. I'm just giving you an example. So you come here. This is not going to be here, but you're going to share the registration link, right? Let me find one with that on it. I just want to give you an example of how it looks with the link in it. This is what you want to give out, the registration link, right? So when you hear, oh, we've got a free webinar, you want to invite folks to this, right? So you're going to give them the registration link, guys, right? So when they click this, see, they've got to register their name, first name, last name, email address, okay? They show up. We send them an email. This is what happens. First, you're going to get people on your list, right? You got your marketing system. Let me back up. How are you going to get this to folks? You're going to be promoting this, right? When you're doing your marketing, when you're doing your, whether you're buying traffic or you're doing social media, you're promoting, you're sending people to your capture page marketing system, your free system. They come here, you send out an email from your system. You give them the registration link so that they can register. And guess what? Even in our community, we give you the emails that you need. You're going to copy the emails that we tell you to. The company gives you that. And you're going to send an email to your list, inviting them, all right, to check out the free webinar. In the email, at the bottom of that email, it also will list, will provide a link telling them to sign up here after the webinar. All right. And when they do that, if they're interested, they go back to your email and they will get your link to sign up. So you are promoting, you're inviting people to a free webinar. Doesn't cost you a dime. You're not doing the selling and telling. You're not explaining it, right? You're not having to convince people. You're not having to chase people down. You're simply going to send out an email. Sometimes you also can do a post. Now, when I do a post, if I do a post for a webinar, I would send them to my page here. Okay? If I was to send something out and post it, I would send them here so they can get on my list. And then I send out an email to my list giving folks the registration link for that particular webinar. All right. And remember, the email on what you're going to say is also provided to you within the community. Okay. So you don't have to worry about, well, what am I going to say to them? All of that is provided. Amazing. And folks will show up here. Even if they don't show up here, guess what? I'm sending an email out to my list to give them the replay. All right? We're provided the replay as well in the community. You can go back. You'll have the replay. You can upload it on your YouTube channel. And you can send it to your list as a replay. And folks will sign up that way. So again, I'm showing you how to use the webinar strategy, all right, to market for free to be able to earn $900 commissions. So check it out. Link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Let me know if you have any questions after you've checked this out. I would love to talk with you and help you get on board, right? Help you with the onboarding to get started with earning these $900 commissions, guys. All right. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And if you get started with me, I'm going to add you to my 90-day rotator traffic co-op so that you can get eyeballs looking at your opportunity for 90 days. Thank you so much. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.